Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set time on laptop. To start, enter time in the search box. Click on Date and Time Settings. Here, in the line Set Time Automatically, you can activate the switch to set the time automatically with the time zone. Now to change the time, turn off the switch and click Change. After that, in the pop-up window, you can enter the new time values. Click on Change. After this, by default, you will see that the time zone is set automatically. If you want to use a different time zone, turn off the switch and in the time zone section, you can choose the new zone as needed. The change will be immediate. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.